Hey, check out this 12-inch rail stabilizer. I love this thing. I'm doing a full unboxing and a full review of this thing. It's fantastic. Let me show you a quick cutaway. So you got to get shots like this. Really super simple. I love it. Really easy to do. And shots like this. Look how awesome that is. All right, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let's get to the unboxing. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm looking at an item that I ordered myself and purchased it, just to be clear and transparent. This is a track slide, either for your video camera, DSLR, your phone, whatever. So you're looking to get those smooth cross section shots. You're getting some panning motion without too much shaking. And this is something that you need to do that with. Very reasonably priced. I'll leave a link down below in the description. Also, I'll leave a link over here in the corner at the end of the video. So check out those things as well. I do get a small commission and it costs you nothing. And it does help support my channel. So thank you very much for that. Hope you're enjoying all my reviews. I appreciate everyone who's watching my channel. 6.5 million views on my channel since I started. And I'm very proud about that. And it's all because of you. And I want to thank you personally right there. Yes, you. All right, let's get into it. So what is this? This is a 12-inch track bar. Basically, it's made of aluminum, high quality for the item. It's small. It's only 12 inches. So if you're doing small items, it's perfect for that. If you're doing large items, maybe so much, you're not going to get much of a swing out of it unless you get really tight. But then again, you got to be careful about that. So this is how it came packed. I was playing with it earlier. I just want to show you what it looks like. There were some of the pieces that came in it. And it comes in a case. So the case is cool. So that's a really nice extra bonus. Let's get that out of the way. And it came packed very well. And I got it pretty quick as well. So this is a track slide. So what is it? So what it's designed to do is to put your camera, your DSLR, whatever, on the track. And then you can get those nice, cool shots. Now, it moves very smoothly. You can adjust the tension on it with this little tension screw right here, little thumb screw. Okay, it's got little rubber feet, little feet in the bottom that you can adjust. So if you want to get the make sure it's level. If you want to do that, you can. Most shots really won't require that. I mean, it's not going to slide by itself. Let me just unloosen it by it. You can just see it just slides super easy. Look how nice that slides. So if you're looking to get a really cool shot that goes across the frame like this, okay, and it's much easier if you're doing that versus something if you're doing let's see, I got a sample item, little eBay little plushie phone holder, right? So if I want to get this shot like this, going across, or I want to get a close-up and I want to get a shot like this, instead of just doing this with your hand, you do it with the track. You put it down like this here, you put your phone here or your DSLR camera. Come with an Allen wrench, a couple different Allen wrenches just to adjust the actual, you got some rail adjustments here, and also let's see where else. You got Phillips screw in the bottom to adjust those if you need to. But other than that, that's what these are for. I'm not sure what the small Allen wrench is for. I don't see any small Allen wrench things anywhere, but you can see how it slides. Let me just let me get back to this, so you can see how it slides, which is really cool. You also can, mount things on the rail. It's got some holes to mount either some extensions or lights. If you want to put a couple of lights here, you can. And if you want to just get a small motion shot here, you can do that as well. What I would do with this is I would put on this other adapter that I have here, like that, and this does screw on here. Get the screw base is correct. It'll fit on here, it'll fit on this small one, which is fine. So you can see here how it, give you an example. So how this is going to look, right? This is going to slide right across. You can put your phone on here. So here's my phone. I'll give you an example. So let's just hook this up here. Let's open up the camera app. Let's put it on video. Okay, so now you can see what I'm talking about. Let me just move this down so hopefully you can see. And I'll get some cutaways in a minute. I'm just going to show you, give you an example. So here's a shot here. Let's put this under here. I want to get a shot of this item. Let's say this bracket. And if I want to get a nice pan shot, now you can just see, hopefully you can just see the angle here. This lens in this phone's designed. It's a privacy screen on the phone, so it's cutting out some of the videos. I apologize for that. But I want you to get an idea what I'm talking about here. So you can see how you can go across the item, right? And now the camera sees it, and you also go a slide across, and then you just loosen it up, and then you just do a nice pan. You can just see how smooth that is, right? You got a nice sweeping pan ready to cross your item. Show you that again. So you go back here, and just say you're doing a cutaway, you're talking about an item, and look at this nice. You just go across nice and slow, so you can just see how that's really, really nice how that works. That panning, I love that. And I'm talking about the specific ruler, so you can see the ruler in the shot, right? And let's get this in the center so we get the pan correct. And right there. And so you want to talk about the ruler, and then you just start far and you just kind of go across. So you get the idea behind this pan, right? You get a really cool video just like that. That is very cool. So let's get this in. Let's start recording. Now I'm going to just do it, and you'll see a cutaway in a second. You'll see how that's just cutting across that. Now the lighting is a little shadowy because it's not really set up correctly. I'm just giving you a quick demonstration. You would have lights here, light this up a little better, but you get the idea. Now, it's designed just for really close. You can do far things too. You can do things a little bit further. You can set up any which way you want. Let's just set up the little eBay guy here, my little, so say you want to focus, let's say, on the lettering on the person, on your item, right? So now you got this, you can zoom in on it, right? So now you can just go here, hit the record button, and you can see the sweep going across just like that. Really easy. That's one take. Then you can do another take, just do it again, hit the record button, and go right across again. You get that really cool shot. We'll do that cutaway. You can see that, right? And you can play with them. I'm just giving you a quick example. It's what it is. That's made out of aluminum. It's 12 inches long. It's the construction of it's very good. All in all, you can put your DSLR on here. You can put a tripod mount. You can have a quick release. All kinds of different configurations you can do with this. So the idea behind this is to really get those cool and slide shots. If you want to, you can adjust these. Like I said, you can adjust all these little feet and get them just where you want them, so you don't have to worry about it. Get them all level, because sometimes you have different sections that maybe isn't level. So let's just adjust that. Okay, so I just want to just finish up the video. I just want to show you one more thing. So this does also, it's a drag, and it also locks it into place here. So this is actually locks it. This will lock it into place, or you can loosen it and create a little drag, or fully keep it open and just get that full, so you can see just how it slides like back and forth. You can also adjust these for a pitch if you want to, get a certain angle, make this rail go kind of raise it up a little bit, so you can get like a angle if you want to. It's not, you don't get a ton of room with it. You can see you can adjust these up and down, so you can do that as well. The Allen wrenches are on the side to adjust these here as well. Also on the bottom, it has threaded screws on the bottom, like I showed you before on top. So you can do a top mount item, also a bottom mount on how they did it. So you can actually attach this to a tripod if you want to. That way you can put it on a tripod mount, and then you can get some shots on a tripod. You can put it on an angle. If you have a ball head, you can put the thing on it. So you can do so versatile. I mean, you can see, you can do an angle shot if you want to. You can get a really cool angle shot. It's really quite versatile, and your imagination, it's really up to you how you want to use it. It's got a lot of versatility. So I'll leave a link down below. Like I said, for the item, there'll be a link over here. There'll be a link down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I appreciate everybody who watches all my videos. I hope you learn a little bit about something. My job on this channel is just to really review and talk about different items in my journey, and also just overall, just items in general, because sometimes you look at photos and you just don't get the real true picture of what's happening about an item. So that's what this video is about, just to show you. And again, all aluminum, made really well, and for the price point, honestly, you're not going to get into an entry-level slide, much less than this item right here. This is a pretty decent quality item. I love it, and I used my own item. I'll just take this off. That is mine. Comes like this, just like you see, and I really I think it's worth the investment personally. I love it. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next review. Thanks for watching.